everything in life is a process. And this is the video that I started with on demonstrating what 2-second lean was all about. So I had this young employee named Nick, and he worked in injection molding. He worked in this department right here. And he had a problem with this mold. See how it moves in there? And he had to get it level. And he had to stick his head inside there to see whether or not it was level or not. And Nick hated that. He hated sticking his head in there. It was like very uncomfortable and everything. And so I walked up to Nick and I said, well, how can we fix that? We stopped. We pulled the line. We stopped. And Nick said, I don't know, maybe we could put a mirror on there, and then maybe I don't have to look inside, and then we can see whether or not it's level. And I said, Nick, that's a good idea. How are we going to attach the mirror? And he goes, I don't know. And I go, come on, Nick, how can we attach the mirror? And he said, well, let's hot glue it on. So we took that level, and we just simply took available resources, a popsicle stick and hot glue, and we hot glued that level onto that mirror onto the level. Now he could just set it on there, look in the vial, look at the mirror, and see exactly whether or not it was level. So he stopped and fixed what bugged him. This is very critical. This is the way our company thinks. This is nirvana.